Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this Post Your Dark Spirit filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter, you just have to visit the creator profile. The creator is my drag over. You can follow him to unlock all his filter through your camera tray. Check in his filter tray and you will find this filter. This is Spirit Drag Queen filter. Tap on this filter. You will see a preview. From here you can try it and you can save it to your camera. So let's try it. To use this filter, you just have to hold down the camera button and it will load. And that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter from Instagram. Thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.
I'm out.